Ecology. In this presentation, we will be addressing the question of what is ecology. Ecology is the branch of biology that deals with the relationships of organisms to one another and their physical surroundings. Types of ecology. There are several types of ecology, but in this video, I will only be addressing two types. There is population ecology and community ecology. Population ecology. Population ecology is a subfield of ecology that deals with the dynamics of species populations and how these populations interact with the environment. Two things that are learned in population ecology would be a logistic growth model and a survivorship curve. The logistic growth model includes the concept of carrying capacity. Since exponential growth cannot be sustained on any population, the logistic growth model shows and incorporates carrying capacity. On the other hand, a survivorship curve is a graphic way of representing the data in a life table. A survivorship curve can be classified in three curves. Two of the most important curves would be K-selection and R-selection. K-selection, or density-dependent selection, selects for life history traits that are sensitive to population density. R-selection, or density-independent selection, selects for life history traits that maximize reproduction. Community ecology. Community ecology studies the associations of species that co-occur in the same location and at the same time. A very important factor in community ecology would be a food web. A food web shows the energy being transferred between different types of animals in a community ecology. The flow of energy in ecosystems. The flow of energy in ecosystems basically talks about how energy is converted through the different traffic levels in an ecosystem. The movement of minerals, nutrients follow a cycle. Producer, consumer, decomposer, then back to producer. That is because minerals are matter, and matter is conserved. The movement of energy through an ecosystem is one way. It is often shown in an energy pyramid, with each trophic level receiving only about 10% of the energy available in the last trophic level. The other 90% is lost as heat, and because of the law of thermodynamics, this energy cannot be reused. It is lost from the system and radiates from the earth. Another good way to explain the flow of energy would be a food chain. A food chain is a simple model that shows how matter and energy move through an ecosystem.